हेलो एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम, दिस इज जैन सुहेल विद यू। वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। आज की जो वीडियो है वो बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है और वो उसकी एक वजह है। वी आर गोइंग टू कवर वन ऑफ द मेन क्यूजीन ऑफ अफ्रीकन रीजन। पहले हमने सूडान से स्टार्ट लिया था। द एपिसोड वाज परफेक्ट, खाने का मज़ा आ गया था। द नेक्स्ट स्टॉप वाज इथोपिया। सो उस चीज़ को कंटिन्यू करते हुए आज हम ट्राई करने लगे हैं इजिप्शियन फूड। मेरा ख्याल है ज़्यादा बातें नहीं करनी चाहिए, आपको दिखाना चाहिए कि इसमें होता क्या क्या है। लेट्स गो इन। This was our behind the doors access.
Yes.
And here's the man.
Here's the man. Here's the chef. We have with us Chef Mahmoud Said.
This is the food.
We need to go. We need to just have to eat it the way it is.
Okay. So this is like
Bring it up.
the
to
meat
camera.
with the stuffed vegetables. The meat is crispy.
That's the skin.
That's
So
the
the skin
skin.
is crispy.
Let's grab the bigger chunk. So now some meat. More feels like a chicken thing, but it's different. अच्छा, जो अफ्रीकन रीजन है स्पेसिफिकली इजिप्ट, वो इन चीज़ों के लिए बड़ा मशहूर है। पिजन, डक, रैबिट, मतलब किसी चीज़ को नहीं छोड़ता, रगड़ देते हैं।
Any animal that moves on 4 on 2,
Yes.
Has to be eaten.
As long as it is halal, they
Yes.
just grab it, either fry it or grill it. So the next thing we have is molokhia is common among all African countries.
Yes, it is. Not all, but Northern Africa.
Most of them. I would
Yes,
say.
I know.
Yeah, but
Yes.
this one, it's more of a gravy. Here, have a look. It's gravy and a bit of more spices, floating around.
Wow. Amazing. You know, Zain, if you have this with rice, it will be on a completely different level.
Exactly, this is what I was gonna say. With rice, because we have a very thin gravy,
Yes.
it will mix with rice and it will make it more, the taste amazing. So, see, normally it's just a vegetable, which is somehow similar to our palak, but it
But
is
it-
not the same. It has a very distinctive taste. Kaware guys, kaware. So अब तो मुझे याद हो गया कि the kaware thing is पाया.
और
और
ये
हमारा पाया
बस-
जो फीट होता है वो है कवारे.
बस ये different है. So what I'm trying to say, this is different. This is
Without any kind of bone.
boneless paya, boneless kawara.
ओहो क्या बात है. जो हमारे पाए होते हैं सेम वही चीज़ है, लेकिन बड़े मुझे लगता है नफीस तरीके से पकाए गए हैं. होल चंक.
So then how much different is it from your, like basically in Pakistan you have goat pie, which is your
See,
goat hoos.
Yes, exactly. So basically the part is the same, but how it is cooked is very different. Most of the time our payas is like with more spices, and it is more spicy and on a higher note.
Thank you.
Yep.
So 1, 2, 3.
मज़ा आ गया. Say it. मज़ा आ गया.
मजा आ गया.
सही वाला.
सही वाला. मजा आ गया, सही वाला.
Aiwa.
Say this is.
This is.
No, not this is.
Yeah.
This is.
This is.
This is.
This is.
This is, yeah, man.
Disease.
No, this is nahi. This is. Not D, but T.
Thesis.
This.
This is.
What is it? This is, yeah, man.
This is.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
This is yeah, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Different, very different combination.
And
it is
Egyptians call it meat sweets.
meat sweets.
Meat sweets.
Like halwiyat.
Yes,
like
they actually
Arabic.
call it halawiyat. Yes.
By the way, it's not sweet at all, but they call it meat sweets. So we have many different kind of combinations here. We have stuffed intestine, and it is stuffed with the rice.
Yes.
Or then we have
Tongue.
it is the tongue. Then we have, I think, the liver,
Heart.
liver. So we have many different parts. We have kidney. We have spleen. So
lungs.
we have, from head to toe, we are trying to eat everything.
done it all.
So it might be yucky for some of you, but we are here in Egypt and we are trying everything. It is quite amazing to see the combination. The heart, spleen, liver, kidney. Then you have the testicles, you have the intestine. So you have all in all.
Yes.
So they don't waste any part of the.
And guys, by the way,
Okay.
so guys, it's just purely a casing where there's just stuffed rice and dill in it. That's it, nothing more. Rice and dill. Yeah, rice, dill, and some spices, and that's it. You cannot actually taste the outer skin, which is the intestine.
Exactly. There's a bitter element.
That's the dill.
Okay.
It's a dill, Guys, whoever doesn't know what dill is, this is dill.
तो ये जो है ये रही बीफ की टंग, जो कि मैंने आज तक कभी नहीं खाई, बट आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई इट फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम.
It's to die for, guys. Believe me. Go ahead. Go ahead.
It's not bad, man.
Yeah. See, it's like there's nothing.
जो जुबान का टेस्ट है, it is very much similar to normal taste of the meat. So जो हमारी next plate रही, उसमें दिल है, उसमें गुर्दे हैं, उसमें लीवर है, उसमें टगाटक टाइप वाली चीज़ें हैं. So it covers, the rest of the things. Let's start with the heart. So this is,
It's better than the heart.
Man, this is, I would say, the best part of everything. It's above all. So ये रहा जिगर, liver. I think most of these parts are really done in a very good way. There is no smell and there is no weird taste kind of thing
At all.
So let's have one of the nicest food experience until now. I literally enjoyed it. Pigeon was really great. Then comes the kaware, that yummy thing. I would, eat all of it. Then come the mulkiya. This was all for now. See you guys in the next video.
Yes, guys. See you next.
So guys, overall, it was a great experience, great taste, and great people. Thank you so much for having us.
And guys, this is called Egyptian hospitality. ده الكرم المصري على أصوله. شكرا جزيلا.
Mia bil mia. So we are done with the Egyptian food, and really it was a great day.
It was okay.
No, it was a great day. It
It's
was a
hot.
good day.
That's why I said it's okay.
Yeah.
It's really hot,
So Egyptian food में मतलब जो हमने चीज़ें सुनी हैं वो आती हैं नॉर्मली इट्स फलाफिल, ठीक है, कबाब आ जाता है, कोफ्ता आ जाता है, कोशरी आ जाती है, फूल आ जाता है. बट आज जो चीज़ें ट्राई की हैं ना, that were different, completely different, and this is the experience we were looking for, and all thanks to Baha Restaurant, and great food, great hospitality, and it is going to be a great vlog as well.
And Zain, it's time we move to our next destination. Come on, let's go.
Yalla
Let's go.
guys.
Come on.
Finally we have the salad here. और मज़े की बात, इसमें जो शीरा सा बन जाता है, इसको इजिप्ट में विस्की कहा जाता है. So let's have some whiskey.